Have you ever wondered why certain experiences in life feel like a rite of passage? Why they seem to be mandatory rather than optional? In the vast tapestry of life, certain lessons emerge, not as choices, but as requirements. These lessons shape us, mold us, and help us grow into the individuals we are meant to become. Consider the story of a small sapling in the heart of a dense forest. As it grows, it must compete for sunlight and nutrients, constantly striving to reach greater heights. This is the first life lesson, the necessity of struggle. It's not a choice, it's a requirement. Struggle in all its forms strengthens us, teaching us resilience and determination. Just as the sapling must fight to survive and grow, so must we face our personal battles and push beyond our limits. Now imagine a river cutting through the mountains. No matter how hard the rocks, the river never stops. It doesn't seek an easy path, but persistently carves its way through the toughest terrains. This brings us to our second lesson, persistence. The river doesn't choose to be persistent, it is a requirement for its existence. Similarly, in our lives, persistence isn't a choice, it's a necessity. It is through persistence that we conquer our dreams and overcome our challenges. Next, picture a vast desert, seemingly lifeless and devoid of water. Yet within this harsh environment, life persists. Cacti thrive, not in spite of the desert's harsh conditions, but because of them. They adapt, storing water for the dry spells, and bloom when the rare rains come. This is our third life lesson, adaptation. Life doesn't give the cactus a choice, it must adapt or perish. And so it is with us. Adapting to change isn't an option, it's a requirement. It is through adaptation that we survive, thrive, and evolve. Finally, envision a bustling city. Amidst the chaos and noise, every individual plays a vital role, contributing to the city's rhythm and life. This is the fourth life lesson, interdependence. Each person, each role isn't a choice, it's a necessity. Our lives are intertwined, and we depend on one another for survival and growth. We are not islands. We are part of a larger community, a larger world. In conclusion, these life lessons are not choices but requirements. Struggle strengthens us. Persistence enables us to conquer our dreams. Adaptation ensures our survival. And interdependence reminds us that we are part of something bigger. These lessons are woven into the fabric of life, shaping our journey and guiding our growth. They aren't optional, they're essential. So as you navigate the many twists and turns of life, remember these lessons. They are the requirements, not choices, that will guide you towards a richer, more fulfilling existence.